There are a lot of ways to earn money passively, and today, we are adding something to your disposal. Welcome back to Passive Income, where we turn dreams into streams of income. Before anything else, you know the drill. Do not hesitate to hit the bell icon to subscribe to our channel. With that, you will never miss a single upload that talks about how to earn passively. Step 1. gglot. To start, go to Google and search for gglot. Click on the first link, which is gglot.com. This takes you to the website's main page. We can refer to this as our dashboard. This is where you can find services like translation, transcription, and adding subtitles to videos. There are also tools like MP3 to text and MP4 to text converters, as well as English to Chinese translation. gglot uses advanced AI to help with subtitles and translations in over 100 languages. If you want to earn money online with this website, it might seem confusing at first, but don't worry. By the end of this video, it will all make sense. You can actually make more than $12,000 using this site. So, keep watching until the end. Step 2. Register. You can access all the great features of gglot for free by signing up. This will be the next step that you are going to do. Start on the home page. Click on the login button located in the upper right corner. From here, you'll be directed to the login page. Then, scroll down to find the Sign Up option at the bottom and click on it. You'll then be taken to this registration page where you'll need to provide some basic information. Fill in the necessary details such as your name, email address, and password of your choice. After completing the form, click the Register button to complete the registration process. And you are now a registered member of gglot. Log into your account, and you'll see your personalized dashboard. As a token of appreciation for joining, gglot will reward you with a $1 sign-up bonus. Yes, you read that correctly. You'll receive $1 just for signing up. You can use this bonus to start your projects and explore all the amazing features that gglot offers. Step 3. Transcription. Step 3 is to click on the transcription section on the left side. This takes you to a page where you can change a video or audio into text. For example, if you choose a YouTube video, find it on YouTube, click Share under the video, and copy the link. Then, paste the link into gglot. Choose the language, like English, and say how many people are speaking. Click Upload. After a bit, choose Automatic, and open the file. You can save the text on gglot, translate it, or just save it on your computer. It's a good idea to save it for later. Step 4. The fourth step involves heading to the translation section on the left-hand side and clicking on it. In this section, you'll only find files available for translation that you've previously transcribed on the website, such as the file we've just transcribed from a YouTube video to a text file. You can access gglot for free, and once you begin getting orders from freelancing websites, you can use that income to purchase gglot's premium membership. This upgrade can significantly boost your online earnings. Now, what could these freelancing websites be? Aside from Upwork and Fiverr, you can also use revdotcom and peopleperhour. Rev provides a free online editor that makes it easy to listen to the file and type at the same time. As a freelancer, you're your own boss and control your own schedule. Rev never assigns projects to you. You pick and choose what you want to work on. On the other hand, peopleperhour had the same function as Upwork and Fiverr. The only difference is that there is less number of competitors here than the former. And that's it. Thank you for stopping by. See you next time.